The EP25 riser connect consists of two components, a bottom and a top, that are used in the assembly to create the P3 pedestal riser from 3.5 inches to 30 inches. It's a very simple assembly that connects the bottom to the top. We take the riser pipe, cut to length, drop it into the pedestal bottom. It's a friction fit, but it still rotates. Insert the riser top in the same manner. Now we have the beginnings of our pedestal assembly. To complete this, we're going to take our EP28 multi-plate pedestal top used in all the assemblies. We're going to take the line that up with the dot, drop that in place, rotate to lock. We now have a non-mechanical pedestal from 3.5 inches to 30 inches that will support the loads placed on top of it. We can take the same assembly in a situation where maybe the pedestal was cut incorrectly, it's too short, we need to make some micro adjustments, and simply take the shim and drop it in place as it interlocks with the bottom, adding these in 1/16 of an inch increments, as well as using the shim pad, which is a 32nd of an inch thick, allows us to make micro adjustments now in height to a non-mechanical pedestal assembly, allowing us to adjust this up and down as necessary. We can take that same assembly and combine it with our EP22 base wedge for slope adjustment and simply drop that in place. Now, even with the shim in place, we can rotate this as necessary, adjusting for level, adjusting for alignment, and using the bubble level to make sure we are in the proper position. We can do it, of course, without the shims and drop this same assembly onto the base wedge by placing one shim, and the pins of the shim then will interlock with the bottom of the pedestal. Will allow us the same rotation for alignment, position, and level. This assembly can also be used with a mechanical height adjustment of the EP21 base adjuster. We simply then take the assembly, take the line on the bottom of the riser connect, line that up with the dot on the base adjuster, drop the one in, rotate to lock. We now have a mechanical pedestal assembly that gives us a 1/2 inch adjustment. And of course the same assembly then will interconnect with the EP22 base wedge, allowing us to make a slope adjustment with full rotation, full alignment, and a riser adjust up and down to level. That concludes the use of the EP25 riser connect assembly and its connection with the other components.